So we have with us today Mrs. Lakshmi Rao. She is a freelance corporate trainer. Welcome to you to Mera Desh channel,
Thank you.
and thanking you for giving us some time. Sir, ma'am, you are attending this summer course in PPU campus SR for training the teachers in this technical institute. So, what was your topic of the lecture today?
Today in the morning I spoke on creative visualization, which is basically based on it's a technique for changing your thinking processes. And in the afternoon my session was on understanding self and others through MBTI. MBTI is a very well-known psychological measurement, Myers-Briggs type indicator, and it talks about the differences in various personality types in the public.
So, how you feel here? Like this is a very backward area in terms of you can say the development. It's a village, and here culture is different as compared to the area you are coming from, New Delhi corporate culture. So, do you think any difference in the level of participation and level of indulgence by participants?
No, not really. Of course, the participants are at a much younger age than what I'm used to. Normally, I'm used to, maybe in the middle ages. But it was nice speaking to a younger audience because, in fact, if you learn all these concepts at a younger age, then you have that many more years to be able to practice them. So that was a very nice point. And as far as the, environment is concerned, I was very impressed with this institute coming in this. In this small area. It is in fact the smaller areas of our country I feel that need to be developed. Yesterday in fact we had met the MD, and even then I was very impressed that he's taken the pains for development of the community and started such an institution here. And this morning when I came here and I saw the campus, I was really impressed with its size and all the development. Of course there's much more to be done, and I'm sure it'll come up as a very grand university.
So, what remains the focus of your lectures? Like some people, they focus on motivational factors. Some speakers they focus on technical aspects of education. Some focus on psychology. Some focus on management aspects. Some focus on research aspects. So, what kind of focus you have when you are training the faculties?
Okay, today, in this particular FTP, I have been asked to speak on behavioral sciences subjects. And I believe so, and my subjects are particularly in appreciating differences, which I believe is very, very important for a teacher, either in a school or in a college. Because unless you understand the different requirements of your students, you will not be able to address them and meet their requirements. So for a teacher, I think it's very important to understand the differences in the different personality types. And my first part of the lecture on creative visualization, that was about changing your own attitudes, your own thinking processes. And I also believe that unless a teacher, or for that matter any person, improves himself personally, he will not be able to impact others. So it has to be a constant personal growth to be able to help the others to grow.
Thank you, ma'am, and I hope we'll be talking in future also about your various training programs, your approaches to training the teachers. Thanking for giving us some time at Mera Desh channel.
Thank you so much.